Hi everybody, it's Claire back with another art journal video. So as you can see, today's page has a rainbow in it, and some days I just need to create a page with bright colours and a bit of a rainbow theme going on. So again, I'm doing another cutout page. This is a really simple one, not many cuts, and you've got a cool rainbow shape coming out of a cloud. So first of all, I'm going to add some white paint for the cloud shape at the bottom. And then once that's dry, I'm going to start adding the rainbow colours. So this is a really simple one to do. If you're not so confident doing cutout pages, you could have a go at this. You could even, if you were pretty good, you could cut out with scissors too. So lots of white paint on there. I wanted it to be quite opaque. And then all I'm going to do is start adding in the different colours. So I'm starting off with ruby and then tangerine, keeping them quite bright, not worrying about them blending, and then lemon and lime, turquoise, no, I tell a lie, that's sky, sorry, telling fibs, blackberry, and fuchsia, magenta, it's magenta, beg your pardon. So once it was dry, I then did the same on the reverse as well. So it was the same front and back. Okay, and then I'm just adding, this is turquoise, definitely. I'm adding that onto the page behind. And I'm using the Squoval stencil and some white paint, and I'm just adding some stenciling onto the background too. So I'm adding the paint on with the painty end of the sponge and then turning it sideways and just lifting a bit of the paint off as well so it isn't too dark. Then I'm using the Mantra stencil and I've mixed in a bit of lapis in with the white, and I'm just stenciling that on too. So this is a Pitt marker pen and I'm just adding some shadow onto the edge of the cloud. I'm going for a kind of, I don't know, almost like a cartoon look I suppose with the cloud. And then I'm just sort of sketching where that goes, and I'm going to use this stencil from Dina Wakley. It's a Scribbled Birds part of that set, and I'm using some black paint and I'm just adding some birds onto the background page. I wanted the birds to show from behind the rainbow, which is why I keep checking where they're going to be. So I've added 3 because odd numbers work well, don't they, on journal pages. This is a stamp set by Darkroom Door. It's called Alphabet Medley, I think, and I'm just using some archival ink and stamping those letters on. Now, I'm not too precious about the fact that sometimes you can see the edges of the stamps. It doesn't bother me. If it did bother you, you could always stamp it onto collage tissue paper first and then cut them out individually or as words, and you could sort of manage to disappear some of the edges from the stamps too. But I don't mind that at all. I'm also adding a bit of mark making, so you notice that the words are hidden behind the rainbow and the cloud when the page is closed. I'm also outlining the birds using the white gel pen just to make those pop a little bit more, and there we have it, there's the finished page. So quite a quick page to do, but quite effective as well. So thank you for watching. I hope you've enjoyed this video. Maybe you'll give this a try. It's a bit more of an easier cutout page. So I'd love to see what you do. Don't forget to tag me if you do. Thanks for watching. I'll see you again soon.